Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's Podinar with my dear friend from Italy, Dr. Armando Minchiarelli. Hi, doctor. How are you?
I'm fine.
Before I start introducing him, let me speak about some initiatives we are taking at the Global Summits. The Universal School of Health is a new reality, and as first initiative, we are starting the Doctorate of Healthcare Business Program, DHB. I'm proud to introduce the first program in the world that closes the gap between clinical training and real-life business acumen for doctors, empowering us to be successful CEOs and community leaders. As healthcare professionals, we all go through rigorous training, achieving clinical competency over years of professional education. But however, it is not possible to fit business training into our already demanding clinical curriculum. So recognizing this gap, we are offering this program to help doctors rise to their next level of business excellence. Our program is taught by clinical professionals who also own and run successful businesses, including myself. These doctors come from all over the world and have backgrounds in research, publishing, innovation, team building, sales, psychology, business scaling, and marketing. This unique team will be augmented by outstanding global industry leaders as guest lecturers who will share cutting-edge knowledge in their respective fields. For several weeks, we are now, and you were also now, able to hear the podinars from many of the main lecturers of DHB, and we will continue to do so for the next month also. If interested, please contact us as soon as possible to profit from preferential fees, and we will also offer several scholarships. Also, another point that I wanted you to let you know is the Hippocratic Accreditation. Which is accreditation by doctors for the healthcare industry without the corruption. In the last few decades, third-party service and product organizations have grown around accreditation organizations, professional schools, finances, politicians, lobbyists, regulatory bodies, and whoever can exert their influence directly or indirectly interfering with the sacred patient-doctor relationship. The noble professions have become more in a marketing function, and the public has lost faith in its professionals and the healthcare industry. So this trust must be restored. Hippocratic principles are the premise of our oath and obligation to patients and the healthcare industry. First, do no harm. Though leaders, namely doctors, should continue to guide the destiny of the noblest profession, as we have done for thousands of years. As we enter a world of globalization and integration in healthcare, domestic accreditation bodies do not have any significant oversight, which has led to corruption and to uninvited corporatization of the healthcare industry. For the benefit of a few, monetary gain has become the greatest priority for those, and no fraternity, regardless of taints and scientific method, and the sacrifice of healthcare professionals and their patients. To reestablish this, the Global Summits Institute, composed exclusively of leading doctors, dentists, pharmacists, optometrists, chiropractors, and healthcare philosophers, as nominated by their peers, will be offering Hippocratic accreditation to any of the organizations deemed worthy of this seal of approval, including universities, insurance companies, pharmaceutical companies, service providers, regulatory agencies, product distributors, hospitals, private practices, domestic or international, operating within the healthcare supply chain. This mark is earned by the organization and will inform doctors and patients worldwide that the organization has undergone a thorough review process and does not infringe upon their inherent rights and relationship. So I'm glad now to introduce Dr. Armando Francesco Minchiarelli. Dr. Minchiarelli is an Italian oral surgeon and expert in dental prosthesis, and oral oncology. He has graduated from the University of Bari, and he mainly deals with multidisciplinary complex surgery implant treatments. He is an expert in impacted teeth surgery and all oral surgery. He is a speaker in numerous courses and conferences in Italy and abroad for these issues. He works in his clinic in Bari, southern Italy, and he is also a scientific consultant for clinical research. But what is more to know is that Dr. Minchiarelli is married to an Albanian woman, and since he is so, I know him from many years,